So I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my bedroom, one of my favorite places to be in my house. I love it, it's amazing. I'm gonna show you guys all my inspo, but my biggest inspiration for creating this room was Pinterest. Hi guys, my name is Jazz, aka Brown Girl Beauty NYC, and welcome back to my channel. So today I kind of wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to show you guys like a tour of my room. Now I don't want to consider this like a tour, being that I don't live in a mansion, and of course I have a decent sized room living here in New York City, but I've been getting a lot of people asking me questions about my room and kind of the inspiration behind it, and kind of wanted to see it all. I know you kind of hear that a lot where people are like, oh, people have been asking me, but really people have been asking me. So I kind of wanted to show you guys kind of what was my inspo, how long did it take me, and you know, I'll give you guys a range of how much it did cost. But it took me a little bit over 3 months to kind of do everything I wanted to do with this room. After this, I'm going to insert a clip of like what I actually started with and how I started, and what I was dealing with before with this room was completely like 2000% like different than what it is now. Never mind, look at my wig. Never mind all the trash in here, because it's pretty much in the process of being cleaned out and just things getting given to Goodwill. But this is kind of the space where I'm working with, and before, it's a pretty big room. I just want to transform it. Like, if you guys want room inspo and you don't know what you want to do, go on Pinterest right now. It has like everything you ever wanted to look for your room to look like. So I kind of got my inspiration from there. The wall that you see here was kind of built like this in this room, and I got wallpaper from Graham & Brown. With Graham & Brown, really cool. You can, I ordered like 4 sheets of wallpaper that I was interested in, and I put it against the wall, and then this is the one I like the most. So if you're thinking about wallpaper, that's a great way to add accents to your room without having to overly commit. So I got that wallpaper and Graham & Brown, really great. And then I will show you guys the rest, but let me do a twirl. This is pretty much it. So let me give you guys the deets in the next minute. So one of the things that was always a dream to me was getting like the IKEA Pax Closet. So with this system, if you're familiar, if you're not familiar with the IKEA Pax Closet system, is that it's bought, you can buy it in like different pieces. So I went with the 2 pieces in the smallest amount of depth to kind of get what I wanted for the area of the space that I was working with. Now you might see other people who have like the full pull out where they can pull out the accessories. It all depends on the size of your room and that you're working with. So I just thought it was a great idea to kind of just get the 2 pieces that will work for the space that I had on the wall and kind of get what I was looking for. So I designed it to kind of have the 3 drawers on one side, the 4 drawers on the other, and then the bottom 2 shelves. And then also have the top 3 shelves for just storage of my bags, hats, and like kind of like the 2 hanging racks. Now, if it's something that you want, you can kind of design it to be kind of what you want it to be. My dream is to kind of, when I get a home, hopefully one day, that I'll be able to get the whole system and have a room just for getting dressed and like shooting content like it is. So this is like a key part of my room, but the IKEA Pax system put together, it's awesome. It saves so much space. It's great for storage, and just kind of, it gives like a nice feel to the room without having to kind of have something dingy that's good for storage. So I love it. I definitely would recommend it. If you've been thinking about it, go to the IKEA store and figure out the space you can. But I love it. This is like one of my favorite parts of my bedroom. So when you're in my room, I have the full closet. This closet is a mess, so I'm not going to show you guys inside, but this here window is a closet. And this is a dresser that I got from Raymour Flanigan. Raymour Flanigan is a really great choice if you're buying furniture, because necessarily I wasn't looking for like a bedroom set. I kind of knew the idea I wanted for my room, so I bought my pieces separately. So I got this set with the mirror, and I got a nightstand that's on the other side that I'll show you guys. But the dressers are really good quality. You can like stuff them, because I have a lot of stuff, so they are stuffed. But you can see like up close, it's like a nice wooden. I got that from Homegoods. But the they kind of go in and out. They actually really, really great quality. And one good thing about Raymour Flanigan, like a lot of people sleep on, is that they have layaway. So if you are looking to get furniture and you don't want to purchase it all at once, that's a really great option to kind of get everything you might need or might want. And then the lamp, this disco lamp, is from Homegoods, actually. No, not Homegoods, I'm sorry, Bed Bath & Beyond. So this is the lamp. I love this lamp. It kind of completes the area of the corner of the room. So walking to the other side of my room, I have the two long closets, which are mirror closets. They kind of came like this in the apartment. I have this lamp. Probably can't really see it, but it's from HomeGoods. I will turn it off so you guys can see how it really looks. But such a pretty lamp that I got from HomeGoods. Kind of long, goes down. Then you step on the floor to make the lamp go on. But another part of my room, so I wanted to have like a room that was really pretty, but also an area that I can get like my work done. Here you have my vision board, but this desk, I have to link where, I kind of forgot where I got it from, but I got it from an online store. I forget what the name was, but I will link it below once I figure it out. But the desk is really cool. It has like one drawer. It had to be put together, but it wasn't hard at all, even though somebody else did it for me, but it wasn't so bad. The chair, my mom actually bought this chair to go in another room, but it didn't go. But the chair is actually from Pier 1. So it has a pop of pink. I have the pink here along with the other side, like my pink rug by my IKEA Pax Closet. But the chair I love. It just has that pop of pink, and it's actually comfy to sit in. So it doesn't feel so desk environment like. So it's comfy, comfortable, cute desk look with the glass desk. And then on the other side is my nightstand that goes along with the set of the piece that I got from Raymour Flanigan. Sorry, I can't think. So next you have is like my bed. So the bed was probably one of the first things I bought because it was like, that and the IKEA Closet were probably the most expensive. But you see this kind of bed design all over Pinterest. And I actually got the bed from Macys. So I got the bed. I already had a mattress and a box spring to go along with it. So I was like, you know what? I want this bed. I want this headboard. I wanted, like I needed it. So I just bought it. It was on sale at Macys. And like a lot of people forget that Macys actually has furniture. And they have really great furniture. But the quality is really great. If I go walk up to it, it's like really like sturdy. It doesn't have like a bottom. The bottom piece of the bed is just like regular, like simple. You can't put much underneath it, but this design is something that I really wanted, and it's a full size bed, so not queen or king, so full size. And it's again one of my favorites, and I wanted a bed like this for so long. I got mine off of Macys, but so many other places like carry this bed. And like if you have the mattress already, all you have to do is buy pretty much the frame, which is what I bought, was the frame. So if you guys just saw this room when I first started or was recreating it, it was like a dark purple. And because the space of where my room is, it has like no natural light. So the first thing I wanted to do, and shout out to my mom because she helped me a lot with this, and if I don't shout her out, like she will kill me. But anyways, the biggest part of doing this room was kind of creating light in the space. So we started off by just painting it white. Because it's a darker room, having light brought into it was like the most important key. So that was the first step. And then kind of designing the wallpaper and kind of just going on Pinterest to see what I liked. That's kind of how I decided what I wanted and what I was going to do. But yeah, I just wanted a really pretty room that I can create in, that I can like relax in, and kind of just be all in one. Especially for, I know a lot of us don't have the space to have separate rooms to do different things. I needed one room to be able to be my everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tour. Hope it was detailed enough for you. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. And like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. You should, come on. But yeah, so until then, I will see you guys next time. And thank you for watching. Bye.